Researchers today require quick, accurate assays with results they can trust. They need an active partner to support their R&D, bridging the gap between research and clinical applications. Krishgen is an Indian biotech company that supports scientists around the world with quality assays and tools for life sciences research and development. We provide tools for scientists working on therapeutic drugs, vaccine development, animal diseases and food safety. Our assays are powered by over 15 years of manufacturing experience, the best quality reagents, and an emphasis on reproducibility. Our products use monoclonal antibodies in a sandwich format, resulting in higher accuracies and replicability in results. Two separate epitopes allow for a high degree of sensitivity and specificity, so users know exactly what is being measured. These kits also offer ready-to-use reagents to save time and prevent user errors. Krishgen believes in constant innovation, building on technical and scientific advancements to provide customers the assays and support they need to fast-track their success. We invest 30% of our revenues back into research, so we can focus on continuously developing newer assays. Krishgen currently manufactures some of the most unique assays in the world. Our assay development process begins with a product development model, based on knowledge and expertly optimized assay construction. We add many controls in the development process, and all our components have antibodies which are best matched to the reagents we use. When we release an assay, we are sure it will give results the customer can rely on. We continue to support the researcher after we ship the assays. Our team is always on hand to offer technical support and help troubleshoot the experiments. Our experience in assay development also gives us an opportunity to custom develop assays for companies around the world. We validate and control all automated processes to guarantee that we offer a high degree of reliability in our assays. Our continuous monitoring ensures that there is consistency in lot-to-lot production. Krishgen ships products around the world, often working with local distribution partners for a better customer experience. We also develop several quality monitoring systems so that Krishgen customers receive a product they can trust. This is reflected in our ISO and CE certifications. Our goal is to be the customer's first choice of assay.